Hey guys, it's JT11541 here with semi-unboxing video of the HDMI cable I just purchased from Amazon.com. It's a fairly high quality cable here. It arrived 6 days earlier than expected. See, it's a fairly high quality cable. This is all in preparation for the new TV I'm getting. This is my old TV. It is an ILO 27-inch standard definition. I'll be upgrading to a Vizio E320VA. That's the 32-inch high definition TV for my new cable box here. And yeah, I got everything ready for the new TV. We'll have a unboxing video of the TV and a review of it. And for now, please rate and comment, subscribe on my channel above, and thank you for watching.